Hello, my marketing communications students. I hope you're doing well today. It's Dr. G. I'm really glad to help you navigate through this next module, which is around brand strategy. This is our third module, and it's really great because you have now learned about how to develop a strategy, how important it is to create goals and objectives for your firm, and understanding segmentation, targeting, and positioning, and then also some of the research that will bring you to this next step of branding. So welcome to the module on branding. Developing a brand for a firm is arguably the most important thing that most important decision that a management team will make. A brand needs to be developed based on the mission and the vision of the company. A brand also needs to have its own unique personality so it stands out from the others and your target audience understands that personality. It reflects the uniqueness of your firm. It needs to be nurtured. The brand needs to be protected and nurtured because as you develop your brand and you have lots of customers, you begin to create what we're calling brand equity that you'll learn within this module. And the equity is really a really important intangible asset to the firm. It will help you get more customers, it will help you keep the customers that you already have, and it will allow your customers who love your brand to spread goodwill to others. So let's talk a little bit about what you can expect from this module. Here's what you'll be able to do when you're done. You should be able to explain the key elements of brand strategy, including the elements needed to create a strong brand identity. I will let you know that there's a lot of work in this particular module. You're going to be learning about colors and fonts and brand personality and imagery, and all of these things that we use to communicate has to align to the brand values that you will establish. You're also going to evaluate an existing firm, the one that you're using for your product. You're going to evaluate their current brand strategy based on the theory and the practice that we're learning in class. This is going to be done through an assignment called the brand evaluation assignment. Now, along with this assignment is an extra credit step that you can use in creating a brand identity for your firm. You may or may not want to do this. Maybe your firm has a strong brand already, or maybe you're not comfortable doing that, but what I would like you to do is give it a try. It'll be a lot of fun, and trust me, it will be useful for you to be able to use this in your career and would be a great asset for you to have when you go to interview for some marketing jobs. You're also going to work on creating a story and copywriting for an imagery for your brand, for your project. And then finally, you're also going to learn some cutting edge free tools, design tools that I've used in my career that are available to you now. So we're going to do some practice activities to get you comfortable with some of the tools that are available for you to start working on right away in your career. So I'm so excited for you to complete this fun and important module on branding. Enjoy this and have fun with it. Take some creative license, take some risks. Remember, what we're doing here is practice. It's time for you to practice your skills. We'll work on the marketing in our own jobs, but in school here, let's practice your skills and get comfortable with them. So as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me.